Welcome to 4924 Old Leeds Road. It's a gorgeous estate in Mountain Brook, just over 2 acres. Come on in and take a look. The house has over 5,800 square feet. That's 6 bedrooms, 5 full baths, including a theater room. This house lives large. The living room alone has 15-foot ceilings. The rest of the main level has 12-foot ceilings. And in all of the bedrooms upstairs, you have 10-foot ceilings. Definitely call this property a one of a kind, but the best part about it is the view of Birmingham, our magic city.